Did you know you can study with flashcards on GoodNotes? Take all your study notes and test yourself in the same app. Here's a quick how-to. Create a notebook or add a page with the flashcards template. Draw or write your questions on the top half and your answers on the bottom. The benefit of creating your flashcards in GoodNotes is that you're not limited by what you can type. You can easily draw diagrams, write out equations, or insert images as you need. Then, to activate the flashcards, tap the three dots on the top right, and then Study Flashcards. Your flashcards are ordered based on how difficult you find them. Every time you answer one, you can rate how hard it was for you. As you review your flashcards, GoodNotes will strategically reorder them as you learn, using a spaced repetition algorithm to help you absorb what you review better. Studying with GoodNotes flashcards is not only more flexible, but also helps you study more effectively. Make your flashcards in GoodNotes to study better. Happy learning!